So this is something I want to do right from I started from Hyderabad. I'm gonna do it right now. It's heavy. It's heavy. Alright, good morning guys. I'm having this beautiful chai out here with this amazing view that you can just see. Well, I just woke up, I got this chai and my voice is obviously a little different because of the altitude change and cold. Well, we are in Padum right now and we have no plans what to do. This feels like we're traveling slow. आज का plan कुछ बना ही नहीं. But मतलब बना है and I don't know. So Varsha is gonna tell us what is the plan. What's the plan?
Okay, so today we'll be exploring the local places here. So we'll start with Karsha.
Huh?
Then we'll go to Zangla Palace. Then
Okay.
Shila waterfall. And then if we have time, we'll go to Puktul.
Everything is like 30 kilometers away apart from
Yes,
Puktul.
30 to 35 kilometers.
Cold start. Chalo, chalo. So everyone's almost ready to explore Padum and Zangla. Varsha Didi's plan is now being executed. So right now we're going to have some samosas here. This is the samosa place. Yeah. गुड मॉर्निंग, कैसे हो? मैं तो बोला समोसा खाने आऊँगा. तो आ गया. मुझे 6 समोसा.
There is olive paratha also, omelette also. Only samosa?
Yeah. My samosas are here. One for you.
Thank you.
And one for me. The samosa size here is बहुत छोटू than Hyderabad. What do you think? बहुत छोटू. We get this kind of samosas in cinema theaters in Hyderabad. Inox. 150 rupees for 2. Hey doggo. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Hi, you look like Sunny. Sunny is basically my dog. I miss her a lot. So, जो भी doggy दिखता है तो उसे greet करता हूँ. So this is the bridge that you have to take to go to Zangla from Padum. Locals were telling यहाँ पे कुछ 2 routes होंगे. One which goes towards Zangla and the other I don't know where. देखते हैं. The monastery you see on the top right now, I think, is the Stong monastery. This village is the Stong village. I hope that's the Stong monastery as well. So we were coming by this way and missed out this right we have to take when we are coming from Padum. So we just rode back, taking a left towards Stongdey. So we are right now climbing up to Stongdey. That's the view on the right. Oh, look at that. Like this is where you're gonna park your motorcycles. We reached the Stongdey monastery and we are open to this view of mountains. So I'm walking down in my riding boots, holding my tank bag with my full riding gear. It's going to be tough, but it's okay. Ooh, look at this view. बहुत अच्छा. See that? That's the road we came in. What is it? This way. That's the road. And yeah, this is how we came in. Walking by. This looks like this is the end. To go down, we have to find the other way out for this. We just got lucky, we can shoot inside the old Gompa, like the oldest place of here. Just go in, yes. Yeah. Alright, let me give you a monastery slash Gompa walk around. Varsha Didi looks so excited. Hi.
No, that's
Monastery out here has a lot of paintings. It's dark out here, you can't see is what I'm thinking. Thoda sa dikh raha hai. All the monastery is filled with paintings. This painting is easily 1,000-year-old painting. And this is what people usually study and chant. All of these paintings are 1,000-year-old. What's inside?
1,000-year-old Gompa.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Temple.
This is the main temple. And this is how it is. So, yeah, I have no idea who are this, but it looks like Kali Mata. That's Kali Mata out there, and maybe these two are the friends. I can be wrong, but yeah. So we go in. These are the mountains. I mean, I would enjoy studying here all the time. And this right here is, what is this called? No idea. Drums. And this huge almara out here has 100+ books. And actually the monk I met out here says, basically we call them Lama. So he says that these books show you the route to be Bhagwan, and people usually read it every time. And he says basically winters are around 7-8 months, so people stay here, read the books and learn things from it. I don't know if someone has become Bhagwan or not, but yes. Alright, so I'm walking to the waterfall right now. यहाँ पे तो यार traction ही नहीं है. Zero traction. It's really difficult to walk with riding shoes on. And at this altitude, it's even really difficult to talk. Oh my god, this waterfall is huge. 1, 2 and 3. That's the waterfall. Woo! Let me walk a little more towards the waterfall. Oh, ho, ho. Woo! The water actually, it's like a spray gun spraying on your face. Alright, go ahead. Not an easy task. How are you feeling?
बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा है.
कितना ज़्यादा ठंडा है? 0 डिग्री सर?
बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी है यार.
Side is this waterfall, and on the other side is this sensational view of mountains, and obviously the Shila village. So this was my day. It was so amazing. Matlab, this is what we are living for, right? Travel, explore, live free, live far, whatever.
I'm gonna show you something very important now, and that is this. Keep the water clean. And thank you for watching the video, guys. See you in the next episode. देखते हैं अगला एपिसोड में क्या होगा. I have no idea what's gonna happen. कहाँ जाएंगे हम? Everything is so skeptical. So that is it. See you in the next video.